nail day today, and I'm going to be doing my own nails for myself using the BTArt box tips. Let's get my nails from this to this. I just want to say thank you to everyone that watched my previous video of me fixing the long almond, because that was what BTArt box saw and they decided to send me these new nails. So I asked for the short almond and they sent me this beautiful 5 colors. It was actually a Christmas edit and I'm so grateful I was able to get some. So in the pack you get 5 colors like I am showing you, so you can use these nails 5 times. I also get the gel, glue, and then you get the tips number 1 and number 2, which I will show you how to use later. They also sent me this LED light as well. So yeah, I'm so excited. As you can see, I'm trying to pick which of the shades that I would like to use, and I chose these beautiful red tips to use. So of course, before you start, you have to prep your nails. You have to keep your nails oil free, dirt free, and of course you need a rough surface so that the nails can lay nicely. I'm using an electric file here. You don't have to, you can just use a normal nail file, that's absolutely fine. And then I'm using this cuticle remover from Sally Hansen. I absolutely love it. You just leave it on your cuticles for a while and then they just come off nice and neat. Also helps to remove any dead skins, which is what I'm doing here. Once you've prepped your nails, they should look something like this, with the rough surface, and then you can start to put your nails on. I like to just brush off every dirt and debris, Then pick your sizes. Make sure that every size that you pick covers your whole nail bed from side to side. I think here for one of my fingers it was a bit too wide. I apologize, I have a cold and my voice is going, but I had to do this voiceover. So one of the nails was a bit too big for my nail bed and I couldn't get another size, so I just filed the bottom of the nail and then just to be able to get my size. So if you have some nail tips that the nail beds are quite a bit big for your nail bed and they kind of fit your nails, if you understand what I'm saying, just file the bottom and then you'll be able to get your normal size for your nails. So before I stick my nails on, I like to use a nail dehydrator. This one is from Model Ones, just from Amazon. So I use that to just take away every other thing that is left that I haven't filed off my nail bed before I start to stick on the nails. And then I also use a nail primer. I believe this helps the glue to last longer, so I have heard, and to be honest, I have tried it as well and it works. So the nail primer helps the Gel-X nails to actually last longer, which is great. This one is also from Model Ones, just simply from Amazon. So this is what my nails look like after all the nail prep, and then it's time to stick on the beautiful BTArt box short almond red tip nails. To start with, I'm using the glue. What I like to do is to add the glue on my nails first, just a thin layer, not too much, and then I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds under the light. Once that's cured, then I start to stick the nails on. What I do is I also apply the gel on the nail and then I just scoop the bit to the end of the nail like so, stick it on and then just put it under the light. That's it. It's very simple, very straightforward, very easy. This BTArt box is the easiest nail tips I've ever done myself in the house. Literally, that's all you need to do. When you're sticking the nails on, just put your nails on an angle like so. I just found this LED light easier for me because with the other smaller one I have to lift it up and it wasn't really convenient, so I used this one instead of the one BTArt box sent me because it's just more convenient. And look at that, guys, I'm done. One hand, all done. Chop off the bit at the top and then file it down and you are good to go. I just like to recure because I like to just recure them, just to make sure everything is done properly. Then do the same thing all over again on my other hand. Apply a thin layer of gel on my nails first and then cure that under the light for 60 seconds and then start sticking on my nail tips. Good to go. Okay, so here it was a bit hard for me on my non-dominant hand. So I got these nail clips from Amazon that I used to hold my nails under the light, and then I am halfway done. Guys, this is how easy BTArt box nails are, honestly. Halfway done. So just file everything down. Okay, now what I like to do also is to make the nails look a bit more natural, because I don't stick the nails towards my cuticle too much. So I just get out my electric file and just kind of to file the nail tips closer to my cuticle, just to make it look more natural. So that's what I like to do, and that's what I'm doing here. Remember, these nails are really soft because they're gel nails. So if you decide to do this process by filing them down to blend with your nails, you need to be really careful so that you don't file the nails to be too thin, because honestly they are really thin already anyway. I just like to do this extra step just to make it look like salon nails. Also, while I was sticking the nails on, the gel glue was spilling out on the sides, so you need to be careful with that as well. Don't add too much gel glue when you are gluing your nails. So that I'm using this tool to just take them out on the sides and then file them down again. I know I have mentioned earlier in this video, but BTArt box are by far the best DIY nails ever, and the reason I like them is because the nails come already shaped, painted. You just have to stick them on. They have different sizes of nails. They have the square ones, they have the almond ones, they have cat eye nails. They have variety of colors, variety of shapes and lengths that you can use, that you can get, that you can use as well. So they are really easy to do. I will put a link to their website in the description below, so that you guys can give them a check out, or you guys can check them out and see all the kind of nails they have, the shapes, the sizes, the lengths, and then you guys can give it a go. Honestly guys, trust me, this is the best DIY nails that you would ever do all by yourself. I know filing your non-dominant hand, using your non-dominant hand rather to file, is quite difficult. So this is how I do it, you know. Sometimes you will need a flat surface like a table. Just put your hand on there like I'm doing, and then you'll be able to get to all the corners that you want to get to, and then you're done. So this is me here just brushing it off, guys. Literally, I'm done. So done. Now you need the part that the part that I filed, I just wanted to, like, you know, blend it more. So I'm using acetone and just a little brush to just melt more of the nail to my nail bed to make it look way more natural, and that's just all I'm doing here. Guys, I learned all my tips from YouTube Academy, okay? I watched so many YouTube videos for me to learn all these little tips and tricks that I'm giving you in this video, and I've tried them all and they have worked for me. After all the filing and the sticking on, then I washed my hands, dry with a paper towel. You don't want any debris on your nails, okay? Or a microfiber towel. And then I used the #1 coat that comes with the set. So this one is like a builder gel that you apply on the nail, and it just allows all your colors to last longer. They advise that you also add this to the tips, so do not forget to add to the tips as well. That will help the colors to last longer. So you just apply a thin layer, make sure you apply all through your nails, and then you just cure once again for 60 seconds. This gives like a lovely shiny feel, makes it look like a salon nails, and just brings out the beauty in this beautiful set. Can you look at that? Stunning. So what I'm showing you here is that the way I placed my thumb, the gel spilled to the side, which is not funny. So I had to like file that bit down. So when you're putting your hands under the UV lamp, just note that the way you place your thumb might let the gel spill to the side, okay? I'm hoping you understand what I'm saying. And then after that, then apply #2, which is just like a top coat, and it shine and adds extra shine to the nails as well, to also make it last longer. That's just the top coat. And then I'm just using the brush to wipe off every excess before I cure under the light. So I just cure this again for 90 seconds because I just like to be safe, or you can cure for 60 seconds to be honest. And then repeat the same process on the other hand. I know I've said this before and I'll say it again. This is the easiest DIY nails I've ever done. ever done, and I'm so grateful that I found BTArt box. This is the final result, guys. Lovely, absolutely lovely. I absolutely love these nails. Stunning, just stunning. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll put a link below to their website so you can buy if you want to. Thank you once again, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.